So now, growing food is actually a means of helping the environment. And now we are facing so many environmental issues around the world. Some of these issues are really serious. So we have to do something about it. And we have been listening to people. We have been hearing people say, oh, we must decrease our footprint. What is footprint? Footprint are activities that we do which will negatively affect the environment. So we have to decrease footprint, like carbon footprint, right? So, well, many of the things that we do, we will leave behind carbon footprint, right? We burn fuel every day. We switch on our computers, we drive cars, we fly, and so on. So all these will leave behind carbon footprint. And of course, we have to decrease carbon footprint by driving less, by flying less, and so on. But decreasing our footprint is not enough, because it's not enough because we are just doing less bad. We are still doing bad. So less bad is not enough. We have to do good. To do good is to increase handprint. Handprint refers to the activities that we do to actually help the environment, right? So what do we mean by, say, increasing our carbon handprint? It's not decreasing, it's not the same as decreasing carbon footprint, right? Increasing carbon handprint is that we actually pull the excess carbon from the air and store it into the soil. This is increased carbon handprint, right? And how do we do this? Well, many people can do this, right? We just need to grow things. We need to grow food. We need to grow vegetables and fruits, right? And if this happens all around the world, you see all handprints around the world instead of footprint. I think now the current situation is that we have footprints all around the world, right? We have pollution here, pollution there, carbon emission everywhere, and so on. So if we are increasing our handprint everywhere, then there's hope for the Earth's future, and also there's hope for our future, right? So I don't know how many of you have heard about this initiative put forward by the French government a few years ago, 4 per 1,000 initiative, right? So their scientists have calculated that an annual growth rate of 0.4% in the soil carbon stocks, then that means we sequester carbon through farming into the first 30 to 40 cm of soil. This would be able to reduce the CO2 carbon, to reduce the CO2 concentration to a safe level, right? So this is a way to save the world. But we just need many, many people to do this around the world. And now they have hundreds of organizations, including countries as a whole. They have signed up as member for this 4 per 1,000 initiative. Here are some of their members, their members list. Some have signed up as a country, and some are international organizations, public funding bodies, private funding bodies, farmers, and NGOs, and so on. Okay, let's check, say Malaysia, whether any group from Malaysia have signed up for this. Okay. Yes, Malaysia, there are 4, right? There's a university signing up. There are 4. I have to scroll. Never mind. Let me check Hong Kong. This is where I come from. Yeah, Hong Kong. Homeland Green is NGO, right? Promoting composting. And there's one more. But when I check Singapore, no. There's no groups in Singapore that has signed up for this 4 per 1,000 initiative. So I hope in the near future, well, some of us will be signing up to join this initiative, which was put forward by the French government a few years ago. And well, I'm going to show you some examples of how people grow food. And I will start with my own farm, my first farm, which my wife and myself started and worked on it for 2 years. The farm was in the, well, Lim Chu Kang area. And after 2 years, we were driven away by the landlord because a big company from overseas wanted the land to build their high-tech greenhouses. So let me just run the video.